We'll move on to other markets now. We see, the crypto market, digital market. That we see Bitcoin still holding on, remaining in a positive zone, about $26,200 this morning. So the sentiment in the market now, we see the sentiment right there, still quite fearful right there in the market. But the green is the color right here for the market. We see green all through $26,819. This morning. Ethereum also in the green, just a couple of red dots here with BNB dots, but majorly we're seeing the market is quite in the green right now. Let's look at the sentiments this morning. We see the sentiments in the market. That's about fear, 46 points. Fear is what we're still seeing. We've been at this level for a while now. Definitely looking forward to what happens, going forward. Let's look at the top cryptocurrencies that we track. We see Bitcoin there, holding on $26,819, up 0.52 this morning. Then XRP, they're holding at 50 cents. Did hold this level most of last week and still maintaining at this point 2.62% up. Is the biggest gainer we have this morning with BNB. That's a Binance exchange token there, $216. It's down 0.35, in opposite direction of what we're seeing in the market. Let's bring in Rume Ofi now, financial market analyst. Hello, Rume. Good morning.
Good morning, Larry. Good morning.
Great to have you, Rume, as usual. Well, Rume, a lot is going on in the market now, and we're seeing FTX back in the news again this time. It looks like Sam Bankman-Fried's family, they're being sued right now by FTX. Why is FTX suing the former CEO's family at this point?
His father, which is a professor at Stanford University, very, very popular person, is getting himself involved. That's Joseph Bankman there. And the wife, Barbara Bankman, received $10 million in cash as a gift, which these are said to be proceeds of the luxury property in Bahamas. And this is being investigated right now. And it is not looking nice at all, because their son, Sam Bankman-Fried, actually collapsed an exchange in 2022, people losing a whole lot of money. It's a very huge collapse for the entire cryptocurrency market. But for their parents getting involved and trying to siphon money through the back door, it only shows that corruption is something that is no respecter of race and intellectual capacity. Someone would expect that the father, being an university don, will have to stay away from something like this. But it has been accused by the FTX new leadership that not even that $5 million gift, but a whole of about $30 million that is being accused of them being appropriated. But we're going to see the reality of all of this discussion as time goes by, because it's not looking good that a family that is supposed to at least protect their image are totally destroying it because of money. But it is what it is. The industry is going to grow ahead and move ahead of all of these challenges, and we will see a light at the end of the tunnel.
Let's hope other digital crypto exchanges, especially the centralized ones, hope they learn from what happened to FTX right now. But how are you seeing the confidence in the market generally? Are you seeing investors, buying, most of the dips that we see in the market right now as cash going to the sidelines?
Larry, the truth is that crypto has a very huge future, because it is the future of finance. It has a very huge future. You can imagine the stock market, global stock market, amounting to about 15 to 19 trillion dollars, and some other top companies having some huge capitalization right there. You can imagine crypto, the Bitcoin, which is the big daddy, just coming up and gaining some very good share of the market. Only shows that they're going to be a huge future in the market when all of this dust has settled. But for now, it's more neither here nor there. There's still some kind of sentiment here. People are a bit scared because of all of the challenges that are happening in the market, most especially the traditional finance system, which is actually has its impact. For example, I'm looking at, a if oil touches $100 per barrel, for example, people are going to be stay away from risky assets are going to suffer, and some other challenges that are going to happen. If tech stocks are affected, if the general stock market is affected, nobody's going to jump into crypto. So people are considering all of the macro, and which the macro is also very important in all of these challenges. So, but like for me, like I said earlier, it's going to be a bumpy ride. This might be the last rally that we're going to have before all of the collapse, but the Fed issue is still there. 2% is their target, and they're going to achieve it.
Right. I guess Rume is definitely saying if oil hits $100, then is risk off for most of these markets. Thank you so much, Rume Ofi. Always great having your perspective. Thank you.